For 50 years, Petromin, an industry leader known for its game-changing products and services, has been recognized as a company of choice in the MENA region. In the lubricant market, Petromin is the largest downstream oil company in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. With its state-of-the-art blending plants in Jeddah, Riyadh, and Dubai, Petromin offers world-class products approved by leading OEMs to all of its customers. With its mobile lab inspection, engine issues can be quickly diagnosed using a video scope. Through a network of modern stop-and-shop fuel stations, Petromin offers its customers fully integrated services and a convenience store. Primo, for your everyday needs, is where customers can pass the time with light shopping and enjoy a fresh coffee at the cafe. Petromin Express, a brand loved by motorists across the kingdom, provides quick automotive services and preventive maintenance through certified technicians. With Petromin Auto Care services, the latest technology is used to provide mechanical and electrical repairs for all types of vehicles. Petromin's customer database of 1.5 million car owners and its well-established service network opened the door to a partnership with Nissan Motors, making it the official Nissan dealer in the kingdom. Beyond products and services, Petromin, in collaboration with the Global Road Safety Partnership, launched its Safe Seats, Save Lives program. Petromin's corporate culture is driven by its 5 values: integrity, passion, respect, teamwork, and forward-thinking, all of which foster a healthy and inspiring work environment. Continuously expanding to build a future where convenience meets quality. Petromin.